You're here? It's been a minute. I'm so excited to see you. Welcome to the backyard. I feel like so much has been happening recently. We need to catch up. Real life though, things have been really busy at Hey Grill Hey for the past couple of months. So I want to give you a quick update on some of the really cool and fun stuff that has been happening a little bit behind the scenes. If you follow on other social channels or on the website, you're on our email list, you already know we launched our first cookbook. This is my book, Backyard Barbecue Hero. It actually launched on April 1st. It was not an April Fool's joke. It was a real book. If you know anything about cookbooks, they take a lot of time and they are a labor of love. And I was so excited to bring this book to market, get it into your hands and into your backyards. If you've already bought a copy, thank you so much. There have been so many tags on social media and messages. It's been a delight. If you haven't yet, I want to take a minute and give you a quick walk through the book before I update you on a couple other fun things. First up is the book itself. We did everything in terms of how this book was designed. There's a very cool linen binding with metallic Hey Grill Hey logos all around the side. You guys actually voted on the cover of the cookbook in my Instagram stories, so this cover was partially picked by you. One of my favorite features of the book, it's kind of hidden, it's a little bit secret, in this top corner is a banner, and it says Taste Test Todd 2026 Cookbook of the Year. You guys know Taste Test Todd. He's my husband and chief taste tester here at Hey Grill Hey. So we gave ourselves our own award, and being his wife, I don't know that he really had a choice. It is his favorite cookbook of the year. Quick tour of the inside. Fun designs, dedication page. You can see the dedication page is actually the studio, which is very fun. This is our outdoor studio in my real life backyard here in beautiful Southern Utah. And so having a picture of the studio in the book and a place where a lot of these recipes were developed and came to life, a really fun touch. We also have an introduction. Hey, look, it's me. And one thing that we wanted to put in the book were various guides. A lot of things in the book can help you level up your game. Full of Susie's favorite things, pro tips, you name it. So there's a grill guide, there's a tool and gear guide with my favorite recommendations and tools. Of course, a link to our Pitmaster gloves that you can scan with the QR code. And then we get into the recipes. Hey Grill Hey is known for our flavorful rubs and sauces. If you've bought our products, you know they're really great. One of the cool things about the book that I wanted to do was include all of the recipes. So my Fiesta rub, if you love that, the recipe for that is in the book. We've got a coffee rub, a cocoa chipotle rub, my sweet rub, one of my most popular recipes of all time. They're all in here so that you can make your own flavors and start layering those on in your own backyard. In addition to the most popular barbecue sauce recipes on my site, and the sauce recipes for my products. When I first started making products, people actually told me, whatever you do, don't share the recipe. That's your intellectual property. That's the differentiator. But I did not listen. I shared all of the recipes because I know what it's like to want to try something before you buy it. This gives you the opportunity, if you like DIYing everything and making it at home, the recipes are in there. If you'd rather have the convenience of buying it and it's ready to go, that's an option too. We have tabs to sort all of the different categories on the side of the book, which I think is fun. So there are a ton of recipes that Hey Grill Hey is known for, but I also included some of our family favorites. Then we move into the main dish category. So I sorted these by protein because that's how we like to cook at home. I choose my protein first, and then we throw on our sides. So tons of beef recipes, of course, tri-tip like a brisket. We move into pork, tons of pork recipes. This is Todd's ribs. So like I said, family favorites. We've got poultry, marinated chicken, fish and lamb, because my dad loves lamb and my kids love fish. So we've got everything. This is my daughter's birthday meal that she requested several years ago. And then into some beautiful lamb. I just made this for Easter for my dad. Then we get into side dishes. We have a ton of options here. Some of my favorites from this section, my grandma's orange rolls, beautiful baked sweet potatoes. This is a maple cinnamon butter. And then of course, you guys know me, I can't end a meal without something a little bit sweet. So I included a dessert section, which is, yes, grilled and smoked desserts. You can do it, and they're delicious. You get things like my peach crumble smoked cheesecake. This is my son's favorite cherry chocolate Dutch oven cobbler. So there are a ton of options here. A million ways that you can mix and match main, side dishes, desserts, and appetizers to make hundreds of meals for your friends and family, with the goal always of helping you make better barbecue so you can feed the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. You've heard me say it on the channel for years, and now it's a real physical book, and I'm incredibly proud of it. But I know I spent a lot of time on the book, but that's because I'm really in love with the book. But we have so many other fun things up and coming, including a redesign of our labels and our bottles. Those are coming later this year. We've got some really fun video projects coming up. I can't talk about all of them, but I will tell you to head over to the Weber YouTube page and subscribe, because you should be seeing my face popping up there more frequently, in addition to a couple of TV projects that I will definitely be sharing about. We're also bringing our products to more store shelves, hopefully one even closer to you, to make it easier for you to make better barbecue at home. We're talking about grocery, we're talking about national hardware. It's going to be a very exciting year for the Hey Grill Hey product line. And of course, we can't leave the recipes behind. So on our YouTube channel, we'll be uploading new videos every single week. I've got some really fun and exciting recipes that have gone a little bit viral recently, including my smoke fried deviled eggs, maybe some breakfast smash burgers, and really updating some of the classic Hey Grill Hey recipes that we're known for, with some new tips and tricks, and of course, plenty of taste test talk. Thanks so much for catching up with me today. I really have missed you, and I'm so excited to bring you food. The next time you come visit me in the backyard, we'll have something delicious to eat. See you then.